I ain't saying I'm the best rapper, I just feel like I'm better than y'all. I'm sorry for the arrogance. I'm sorry for the arrogance, hey. My mic is mighty, I lift it like it's Excalibur. My words like bullets, I bet you can guess the caliber. My flow is deadly, my pen is heavy, I'm ready so steady, you'll never get me after I commit this massacre. I don't have to spit faster than lightning to keep my lyrics exciting. My energy so high up is frightening. I feel enlightened when every verse is so brightening. Everything's to my liking and all my senses are heightened. My message tangible, understandably legible, but still impractical. Flow is so hot and flammable. It's a laugh, but my contenders are impassable. Unimaginable how that I'm so unmanageable. Best rapper ever, I'd fucking tell it to Pac's face. Best rapper ever, I'd fucking tell it to Biggie's face. Best rapper ever, I'm sorry if you hate arrogance, but it wasn't too long ago that I was lacking some confidence. I'm passionate, but not being compassionate. Of garbage rappers, I'm taking their sound and trashing it. You couldn't find your bitch, so you were busy fapping it. I was clapped it after she finished gagging it. Some savage shit, stacking it, never flashing it. And if I stutter, I'm still rapping it. Some captain shit, see the top and I'm grabbing it. So please step back a bit, near my room and I'm dabbing it, I'm sorry for the arrogance. I'm sorry for the arrogance. Yeah, I think I'm just let the beat ride. Naps MC. Makes sense. You gotta make sense when you're rapping, right? MMV.